Dear all, greetings of the day. This is Komal from RVG Chartered Accountant, and we are going to make a FAQ session of a corporate tax in UAE. And for the detailed information, we have Mr. Pankaj Kumar Mankani, one of the founder of RVG Chartered Accountant. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Komal. And first of all, I would like to say thanks to you. It's really a great initiative that you started a series on the FAQs about the corporate tax. And it's the right time for the businesses, our clients and our viewers to be ready for the corporate tax, as it's the final regulation is going to announce soon, and it will going to be taxable from the 1st of June 2023 onwards.
Sir, I would like to ask you, what is a corporate tax?
Yeah, so in order to understand the corporate tax, so first of all, Komal, I would like to just give a small brief about the taxation system. So basically I will take you through what kind of taxes are there, then I will go on the corporate tax. So basically there are two kinds of taxes which are applicable worldwide. So that is called direct tax and indirect tax. So now you will ask what is the difference in the direct tax and indirect tax. So basically the difference is like direct tax means where the payer of the tax and bearer of the tax are the same person. The example of the direct tax is the corporate tax, which is about to be started from the next year onwards. Now let's talk about the indirect taxation. What is indirect tax? So Komal, basically indirect tax is a kind of a taxation where the payer and the bearer of the tax is a different person. The best example of the indirect taxation is the custom duty, excise duty and VAT. In those situations, the payer of the taxation is the business person, but the actual bearer of the taxation is the final end user who is consuming the product. Now, just coming back to your question, what is corporate tax? So basically corporate tax is kind of a direct tax which is applicable on the business profits. Now you will ask me, okay, what is the business profit in reality? So business profit is nothing but the profit which is calculated as per the books of accounts, or which is as per the financial statements of the company, and the financial statements should be prepared as per the internationally acceptable accounting standards.
Sir, I want to ask the second question, that when will be the corporate tax will going to start?
So Komal, as per the initial information which was published from the Ministry of Finance by January 22, so the corporate tax will become effective for the financial years which are going to start from 1st of June 2023 onwards. Which means, for example, if a business is following the calendar year Jan to December as a financial year, in that condition the corporate tax for this kind of businesses will be going to effective from 1st January 2024 to 31st of December 24. Let's say any of the businesses following the financial year starting from 1st of July to 30th June. So for that businesses, those kind of businesses, the first corporate tax period will be from 1st July 2023 to 30th of June 2024.
Sir, as you already informed about corporate tax and the effective date, now we want to know that how do you determine that the business profit and income will...
Well, Komal, in order to calculate the taxable income or the business profits, we will take into consideration as a base the accounting profit. Accounting profit is something which has to be calculated as per the internationally acceptable accounting principle. Then we need to adjust some of the items which will be mentioned in the UAE corporate tax regulation. So once we do the adjustment of those items, then we will arrive to the taxable income.
Great, sir. Now I want to ask you that what will be the UAE corporate tax rate will be?
Well, so for the business profits, if the profit amount, or we can say that if the taxable income of the company or the business, if it is less than 375,000 dirham, then the tax rate will be 0%, which simply means that if the profits of the company is equal to or less than 375,000 dirham, there is no tax which is payable as a corporate tax to the FTA. In case if the profit become more than 375,000 dirham, we need to pay the 9% tax on the additional amount. For example, let's say the profit of the company or taxable income of the company, let's say 500,000. So till the amount of 375,000, there is no any taxation. On the balance amount of 125,000, we need to pay the 9% corporate tax. And there may be some special rate of the tax which may be defined in the corporate tax regulation for the large multinational groups.
Sir, now I want to ask the last question of our FAQ session, that who will be subject to the UAE corporate tax?
Well, Komal, so corporate tax will be applicable on all the UAE businesses and commercial activities, subject to the extraction of natural resources, which will remain the corporate tax at the average level.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and great information. And I hope all the customers and all the people get a good knowledge about the corporate tax. And then still, if you have any talk, you can send a comment on our website. So we will make another video on your questions. And also you can send the feedback of the today's FAQ session with Mr. Pankaj Kumar Malkani. And at last, I just want to request you to kindly do share and subscribe our channel so you will notify with a new and interesting video. Thank you.